My first match, I was 8 or 9, down Rockfield Road. The atmosphere was unbelievable.
As a young kid that grew up in the city, it was my dream to always play here, so I'd been there as a fan myself. I'd have my scarf around my neck, have my hat on like this and my coat, so it was everything to me and I couldn't wait to get inside and watch the game.
We could see the atmosphere was special, especially the anthem. That was an iconic moment even in Portugal, we realised that.
The matchday walk's really iconic. All the murals on the wall of all the legends that have played for Liverpool.
We have limited resources on this planet and we need to take care of that.
It's about keeping the streets clean and having the respect for in the house and the families around the stadium.
Over 12,000 bottles recycled in each game. That's like one per person in the cup. It's impressive.
You've got to be so proud of that, haven't you?
I can't believe my name's here alongside some of the greats of Liverpool.
Thanks to all the fans for recycling and making the new Mr. Muscle bottle possible.